How to know your microphone is not working in Google Meet. This video will show you some quick fixes to solve the problem easily. First, open your browser and go to Google Meet. Start a new meeting so you can test your microphone settings directly. Once you're inside the meeting, click on the three dots near the bottom toolbar and open Settings. Then go to the Audio section. Here, make sure the correct microphone is selected. Sometimes Google Meet automatically chooses the wrong input device, so changing it manually can instantly fix the issue. If your microphone says permission needed, click on the mic icon and allow microphone access for Google Meet. After that, refresh the page and test your mic again. Also, make sure your microphone is not muted inside the meeting. If the mic icon is red, click it once to unmute. If the problem still continues, open your browser settings and check microphone permissions. Make sure Google Meet is allowed to access your microphone on every visit. Next, open your computer sound settings and go to Input Devices. Select the microphone you want to use and set it as the default input device. After applying these changes, reopen Google Meet and your microphone should start working properly. So, yeah, that's how you can fix Google Meet microphone not working issues quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Meet troubleshooting tutorials.